This is usually a server connection account sync error, not a hardware issue. Common causes: server downtime or maintenance, internet DNS issues, VPN or proxy conflict, corrupted cache login session. Quick fix: try first. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Restart your internet router. 3. Launch game without VPN. Many users fix it with just this full fix guide. 1. Check server status. If servers are down, you can't fix it locally. Wait and try again after some time. Check official announcements, Discord, Twitter. 2. Disable VPN proxy. Very important. Turn off VPN completely. Disable any proxy settings. 3. Change DNS. Fix connection errors. Use Google DNS, preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. Then stage 4. Flush DNS cache. Open command prompt min. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Verify game files. Open launcher, Steam or other. Verify integrity of game files. 6. Run game as administrator. Right-click, run as admin. 7. Disable firewall antivirus test. Sometimes block server connection. Temporarily disable test game. If it works, add game to exceptions. Number 8. Log out and log in again. Sign out of your game account. Log back in. Rank 9. Use different network important test. Try mobile hotspot. If it works, your ISP DNS is the problem. Most common fix: 90% users fix it by turning off VPN, changing DNS, waiting if servers are down. SEO keywords.